Sometimes I like to share a plate with mate, and to be honest, I like not having to spend a lot of effort doing it. So I picked up a delicious whole red snapper. Look at this little baby. Ew. So what we're going to do is we're just going to seal this off first, then we're going to add in some delicious Patak's Rogan Josh curry paste. So get your pan nice and hot, throw in a couple of tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to split this fish in half. Oh, there you go. Take a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, fish straight in. Want to hear a sizzle. Get that kale in there as well. So we're going to split a packet of the Perfection Fresh medley tomatoes. Yes, the red ones, the yellow ones, the green ones. They're all ripe, they're all delicious. They're all going to go into this delicious curry snapper. Super basic, loaded with fresh ingredients, full of spice. Now let's just turn this fish. Oh, look at that, beauty. Give it a flip. So when it comes to dishes like this, you can absolutely use the coriander roots. Waste not, want not. So I'm going to use the stems as well. We'll keep the leaves for garnishing the top. So once we've got a bit of colour on our fish, just remove that. Pull that up. So whilst the pan is still hot, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of the Rogan Josh paste. And when if you like it a little bit hotter, just add more. It's entirely up to you. Oh, and that's why we cook out a curry paste. It's the sense is I want to eat this now. This is delicious. To that we're going to add our coriander roots. So this will just help open up the spices. The flavour will bloom. We're going to add in our medley tomatoes straight in. So they're going to throw a lot of moisture. Cover it with a lid, straight into the oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Whilst the fish is in the oven, it smells a heat. Then we're going to add a little bit of oil just to the top. Take a brush if you like, just brush it. So we're just going to serve the fish with some cukes, something crispy, crunchy, and a little bit of pinch of salt to that. A little bit of natural yogurt on the base of the plate. Create that contrast. Rich, creamy, earthy. Oh, what? Look at that, straight on top of the yogurt. Boom. Just throw a few cucumbers on the side there. Oh, fresh coriander. Now you take that to the table and you serve it up with some of that delicious Patak's naan bread. And then just so oh, look at that. Beautiful, delicious. Share a plate with a mate. It's important that we cook to connect. Head to the website, ozharvest.org. Go make a donation. Oh, how straight.